to AI and Robotics Exhibition at Aadim College. Get ready to step into the future, from high-flying drones and human-following robots to smart farming, gesture control electronics and next-generation healthcare tech like EEG, brainwave analyzer and smart health monitor. Don't miss our interactive stalls, advanced AI models, and yes, our special robotic guests, including humanoid robots and electric robot dogs. Explore, innovate, experience the technology of tomorrow right here today. Welcome and enjoy the moment.